Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix cellular service unavailable issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this problem, so guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix this problem. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, you have to just simply restart your device. To do, open your settings, and from here guys, simply tap on channel, and from here guys, just scroll it below, then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 20 to 30 seconds, and after that open your iPhone again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply update your iPhone to the latest version. Make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version. If there have any update, then simply update it first, and after that simply go back, and from here guys, simply drag down your control center and turn it on airplane mode, and after that wait some second and disable it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to do reset network setting. So guys, simply open your settings, and from here guys, just simply tap on general, and from here guys, scroll to below, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on this, and from here simply tap on reset. Here you can see guys, reset network setting, tap on this, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.